When you finally get your little one out the door, this typically looks more like this. But with a little help from the very stylish, very clever Otto, you can work wonders, single-handedly. With the push and squeeze of a button, Otto automatically folds and self-stands in a flash. Extraordinary. So you can keep moving and stay on the ball. Yet another smart design feature, see Otto's bumper bar? It conveniently doubles as a carry handle, so you can fold and go. Surprisingly light and compact. Unfolding is a breeze. Press the safety release, give the large button a firm squeeze, and lift up on the handle until Otto is fully open. Boom! You're done. You can see how Otto is engineered to make your life easier. Have you noticed it's a real head turner too? Topping off all that solid gold innovation are luxe fabrics and premium finishes. Otto's sleek 2-panel canopy has style made in the shade. Its mesh peekaboo window is designed to help you keep an eye on your kiddo. Well, maybe when his battery runs out. When he is in the stroller, Otto's 2-position adjustable footrest makes for happier travels, and front suspension delivers a smooth first-class ride. Oh, and if you have a little one, just know that Otto connects seamlessly with our most popular Evenflo infant car seats. A few more perks from Otto: the large storage basket keeps everything you need for the day tucked away, and a zippered storage bag on the back of the seat holds your cell phone and other essentials for safekeeping. Let Otto transform your trips automatically. You're seconds away from extraordinary.